Hey guys, it's Adia's Life and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another monkey app video. I know I've did like 2 already, which was Would You Be My Boyfriend? I'll put a picture here. And then the next one was I Think I Found Love on the Monkey app, which was the second one. So this will be the last monkey app video I'm doing for a while. I know that makes you guys a little bit sad because these videos are like funny and entertaining, but I just want to do different content and I just want to post different types of videos instead of just monkey app videos. So I'm going to be taking a break from them for a while. But before we get into this video, make sure you guys subscribe down below. Get me to 300 subscribers, okay? Because that's the goal right now. And make sure you guys turn that bell on to get notified every time your girl posts a new video. And get this video to 25 likes because I know it's possible. We always surpass 25 likes because, you know, we're the Dia Squad. And so basically the monkey app video is gonna be me saying like, hey, would you be my baby daddy? Because, you know, basically I'm pregnant. Well, I'm pranking them to tell them that I'm pregnant. And that's gonna be part of it. So be like, hey, I'm pregnant, would you be the baby daddy? I mean, no, more like, can you be my baby daddy? Or I want you to be my baby daddy. So yeah, we're gonna see how they react and all of that. And yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So, alright, I was moving a little bit so that way it can appear on the screen. But I'm screen recording right now more of my videos, of course, because yeah. So I'm gonna screen recording right now. Wait a minute. Screen recording? Okay. Screen recording right now and boom. So oh my gosh, I'm so nervous, guys. So nervous. Okay. Hey, so I'm pregnant. Can you please be my baby daddy? For real? You gonna for real be my baby daddy? For real? You lying. Sorry. Oh my gosh, she agreed. Hey, so I'm pregnant. Would you be my baby daddy? For real? So when are you gonna send me child support? Wow, these people is crazy. They're totally agreeing. Okay, this guy's from... Hey, so... oh, okay. This person literally just hung up. Hey, so I'm pregnant. Can you be my baby daddy? That guy is crazy. I'm not doing none of that on what he just said. Nope. Not doing that. Nope. So I'm pregnant and I need to know, would you be my baby daddy?
Yeah.
You're not gonna tell me no crazy mess, right?
No.
Oh my gosh, there is some genuine people out there. Like, I'm so shocked. I'm so shocked. Hey, so, yeah, I'm gonna go. Because that was some weird mess. That was so weird. Am I allowed to now? Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna screen record again. I had to get off of him because that was some weird mess. Some weird mess for real. Is it screen recording? Yep, screen recording. Okay. We're back in business. Okay. Hey, how you doing? So let's cut to the chase. So I'm pregnant. I need to know, will you be my baby daddy? Yes, no? Like... Oh my my gosh, this is so freaking funny. Oh my gosh, like he was just like, yeah, sure, like he was totally agreeing. Most of these people were agreeing, except for the weirdo. Oh, dang it. That's a step. Dang. Okay, no. Let's go skip this person too. Oh my gosh. Hey, so let's cut to the chase. I'm pregnant. I need to know. Are you gonna be my baby daddy? Yes, no? Yes, no?
I just want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
I'm sorry? That's how you're gonna tell me to subscribe? Like... Oh my gosh. Dang, I got skipped. Whatever. Hey, so let's cut to the chase. I'm pregnant. I need to know, are you gonna be my baby daddy? Yes, no?
Maybe. Do you have 401k? Do you make more than 100,000 a year?
How is that any of your concern how much I make? People are nosy. Hey, so I'm pregnant. I need to know, are you gonna be my baby daddy? Yes, no? I'm really struggling here. I need somebody. I need some help, okay? Like, this welfare check ain't doing much. Like, I need some help. I need some... Oh my gosh, this is so freaking funny. Like, oh my gosh. Okay. What? Hey, so I'm pregnant. I need to know, are you gonna be my baby daddy? Yes, no? Do you wanna be? I don't wanna raise this child alone and I need somebody. And he didn't even say anything. He just kept rubbing his chest like, oh my gosh. That is so too funny, bruh. Too funny.
Can I see your titties?
What? I was about to ask you, like, could you be my baby daddy? But you telling me this side straight up mess. I don't even care to hear it. No.
Go stupid.
Oh my gosh. Hey, so I'm pregnant. I need to know, are you gonna be my baby daddy? Yes, no? Like, how am I supposed to let you hit it? I'm pregnant, you dumb. Oh my gosh. Bye. I knew I was going to get skipped or the connection was going to fail, whatever the two. Nope. Just by that profile picture. Nope. I'm going to have to end this video soon, guys. I got 38%. That was the weirdest thing I ever seen. They just put me on a store and didn't say absolutely nothing. Why are you on there from freaking work? Like. Anyway, so are you gonna be my baby daddy? Yes or no? Because I'm pregnant. I need a baby dad. Like, hard knock time life, whatever you want to call it. Oh my gosh. Man, this is probably gonna be the funniest one yet. For real, for real. Hey, so I'm pregnant. I need to know, are you gonna be the baby's dad? Yes, no? Do you wanna be? Like, I'm really struggling here. And why are you laughing at me? What's so funny? Okay, I'm gonna do one more person. One more. Okay. Wow, I got skipped, bruh. Okay, we're done. Okay, y'all, so that's gonna be the end of this video. Make sure you guys subscribe down below because I know this was freaking hilarious. I know this was super funny. Funnier than the other one and the last one I did. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, Dia Squad!